Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in and charge to at least 20%, then power the speaker on so it can complete the reset sequence. Once powered, make sure any active Bluetooth audio sources are disconnected to avoid interference. If you prefer a guided method, open the Bose Music app and confirm the speaker appears in your devices list. You do this now because a controlled power state and app visibility let you choose between an in-device reset and a software factory. You can reset using the app or the speaker itself. In the Bose Music app, go to Settings, select your product, then choose Factory Reset and confirm. The app walks you through the remainder. If you prefer the hardware method, press and hold the power button together with Bluetooth for about 10 seconds until the LED behavior changes. Once done, the LED will typically blink amber or white to signal the factory reset finished. Make sure to wait for the light pattern before releasing buttons. After the reset, you'll need to pair and reconfigure the speaker. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, find the speaker in the device list, and complete pairing. Then open Bose Music to restore settings and apply any firmware updates. Make sure to test audio and microphone if applicable. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Fully charge the speaker for at least 30 minutes, then repeat the reset steps. If the issue persists, contact Bose support for deeper diagnostics or replacement options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.